beautiful weather outside. Happy Thursday. Say bye to Arlo. Your library bag is in your backpack, okay? Get a nice book today, okay? We'll bring it tomorrow.
See you, Mr. Arlo. Say goodbye to Arlo, princess.
We'll bring your book tomorrow so we can read it on holiday. Yeah, you wearing that headband?
Sure, we take it off and leave the headband hands, you don't lose it. Okay. Whatever.
Catch, mommy. Catch.
Catch? Nah. You can jump. Ready, steady. No, you don't need my help. You're a big boy. Go. Well done. You fell. Come on, Arlo. Say goodbye to ate. Good job, girl.
I'm not a girl, I'm a princess.
Ah, good job, princess.
Fist bump.
Fist bump. Hug and kiss.
Hug and kiss.
Oh,
Good kids.
beautiful.
Say, see you soon.
See you later, ate. Bye, daddy. Kiss daddy. Blow kiss. Oh, sweetie pie. Kiss. Bye, daddy. Let's go. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
I'm going to the shop.
To the shops?
The shop.
You're going to the shops?
No.
No, we're staying here.
I stay near.
Yeah. Do you want to go to bed? Go to bed. Yeah, let's go to bed.
Daddy's Papa.
Daddy's iPad? Wala eh. Bed ta. Sus, nagkape na ako. Babalik ko to sa bed si Arlo eh, habang maaga pa. Kasi sobrang aga nagising, guys. Nagpa-alarm ako ng 7, 10. And bumaba ako. Pagbaba ko, bumaba din siya. Mommy, where are you? Go to bed. So, ang aga-aga niya nagising. And he needs to sleep now para parang extension ng night sleep niya kaysa sa mamaya. Kasi kailangan namin umalis ng maaga bukas. So, I need to pack today as well. So, hopefully, mapatulog natin to. We'll see. Good afternoon. 12:23 na ng hapon. Napatulog ko si Arlo kanina. So, nagising siya mga 10:30. Siguro naka 30-minute nap din ako. Nakakain na din kami ng lunch. And now, I'm gonna start packing before natin i-pick up si ate. We have this package from YesStyle dumating. Guys, you're excited na excited ako dumating. Nandito yung mga nails ko. A lot of the nails na I ordered are fail. But I'm grateful kasi binibigyan tayo ni YesStyle ng voucher every month. I did grab packing cubes kasi if you watch my last packing papuntang Pinas, may nasira na packing cube doon. And I use packing cube all the time because we like gala-gala all the time. In fact, magpapack ako mamaya. Tugala na naman.
Rice.
You want rice? More rice? Okay. Okay. Buti, hindi ko pa to tinabi. Rice, yummy. Ready? Steady? So, halos lahat ng packing cubes na meron ako galing YesStyle. Ito, something different. It is a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mama.
So, a pack of 7. I got it in 2 colors. So, the beige and the black. And then, I also added this sa cart. My gosh, sis. Button down na blouse. Wala akong ganitong ano eh. Ganitong kulay. Dami ko niyang ganyan, pero walang ganyang kulay. I also ordered socks. Kasi yung mga socks ko, guys, butas-butas because of my kuko. Ako na talaga, kahit nakinat ko na yung kuko ko sa paa, nabubutasan yung mga socks. Yan, 2 pair nitong mahahaba. Meron ako nito, yun nga lang, nabutasan. And then, yung ganito na hindi siya ganun kahaba. Magaganda yung quality ng socks sa Yes Style. So, I have 5 of these. Iba-iba kulay. And you guys, sa kaka-browse ko sa nails ng Yes Style, mayroon akong nakita ang recommended na hair extension na, what do you call this? Bangs. So, nag-order ako ng 2. And inopen ko na to actually. Tinry ko na. Kaya lang wala sa ayos yung pag-try ko. I got this. When did I get this? Yesterday, I think? Oh no, the other day I got this. Hindi ako nag-vlog pala ng ilang araw because nagkasakit ang aking pamilya. Ang buong pamilya ko talaga. So, after kinalay, nung kinabukasan nun madaling araw, si Arlo nagsusuka guys. As in, suka ng madami. And then, so madaling araw yun. Isang beses lang yung kay Arlo pero madamihan. Binaba namin siya ng mga alas 3 ata yun ng madaling araw. Alas 3, alas 4. Tapos sumuka siya ng sobrang dami. And okay na siya after that. Now, kinabukasan Monday, ng umaga na talaga, hindi nakapunta si Dan ng work kasi siya naman yung tinamaan. So, nung gumising na siya para mag-shower na, bigla na lang siyang nasuka and hindi siya nagtrabaho. As in, nasa bed lang siya the whole day nung Monday because he was not feeling well. And Tuesday, si Ayla naman yung tinamaan. So, Tuesday ng madaling araw, tinamaan si Ayla. And si Ayla yung pinakamalala sa lahat, sukaway. So, suka lang siya, merong lagnat ng konti kapag papunta na silang suka, pero kapag after na suka, nawala na yung lagnat. So, we were thinking it was just a belly bug na nahawaan silang 3. And I was expecting na kahapon, Wednesday, ako naman. Kasi nga, sunod-sunod silang 3. Inaraw-araw talaga eh. Hindi naman ako tinamaan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano. I think it's just a belly bug talaga na tumama sa kanila. Kasi okay na, si Arlo okay na eh. Kahit na si Ayla may sakit, may suka, si Arlo okay na after nung nung episode niya nung madaling araw ng Monday, okay na siya as well as Dan. But yeah, Ayla was not feeling well at all the whole Tuesday. Siya yung pinakamalakas, ang dami-dami niyang suka talaga. Uminom lang siya konti ng tubig, sinusuka niya like 10 to 15 minutes after. But that was only Tuesday. So Wednesday, she was all fine. Kaya lang hindi ko siya pinapunta ng school on Wednesday just in case. Kasi hindi natin alam, baka bumalik, diba? So Wednesday, she was all good. Yesterday, whole day, she was all good. So today, yung first day niya. Tapos bukas absent na naman siya because kasi nga alis nga tayo bukas. So yeah, I received this during the days na hindi ako nag-vlog. Pero insert ko yung photo nito guys kasi it looks really natural. Tapos yung kulay niya, kung wala lang to, tanggalin ko tong mga kulay-kulay na to. Siguro I will dye my hair dark brown para yung natural hair color ko na siya and it matches perfectly actually sa natural hair color ko. It's dark brown eh, hindi naman siya black. So yeah, may mahaba na version, may maikling version, but it's hair extension na bangs. Ang cool niya pa actually. Wait sa guys. Ligpitin ko lang to kasi nagkalat ang ating doodong kumain ng rice. Arlo boy. And then here goes the nail stuff guys. I ordered this. Ito yung kapag gusto mong isoak yung nail mo. Ayan. Yung now open ba? We don't have any more Mickey Mouse. No more. You'll show me? I showed you already. See, it's empty. Look at the bucket. It's empty bucket. No more Mickey Mouse. Do you want oranges?
No, not this one.
Strawberry.
Not this one.
I'll show you. Is it yummy? You like it? Sige, kain muna tayo. Maya na yung hole na yan. Giyahak tong batang to. Gusto mong humingi ng naughty food. Buti na kumbinsi ko ito. Yummy, no? Wala tayong tigil kain dong. Ikaw, ha? Mamaya na ako, guys. Punong-puno pa yung tiyan ko. Kakakain kaya namin lunch. Yummy? It's yummy, right? Oh, sorry, boy. Natamaan ko yung dito niya. Nagkukuko.
What is that?
I'm sorry, Arlo.
What is that?
Triceratops! Sorry, boy. Nagliligpit ako kanina. Tapos, muntikan na siyang matumba kasi meron siyang rice sa kanyang paa. And, ko siya. Kinatch ko siya. Ito tuloy na. Scratchan ko tuloy ng aking kukong apak haba. Long nails pa more. More? You finished that? I have more for you. Don't you worry, boy. Alright, let's continue. I also got a nail cuticle oil from the Sam.
More.
Yeah, you eat it. That's more. And then, parang nails na lahat. Oh my gosh, guys.
Yeah.
Agoy. Okay, ako tagakain yan. Arlo naman ay. More kalat na naman ang mga sesame seeds, boy. Okay lang to. Pwede to i-vacuum yung kanina kasi. Pulot talaga. Kasi rice. Okay, and because meron tayo nung sobrang liit na powder na binili natin, I also got these small like powder puff looking thingies. And ang cute niya, may container siya. Nirecommend to nung contact ko sa Yes Style. Sabi niya, ang popular daw nito ngayon, Anwa Rice plus Ceramide na cleansing powder. That's good for traveling actually, yung mga powder. Kasi syempre hindi siya liquid. So it looks like that. And then I got a refill of my concentrated ginseng na moisturizing cream. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ang ganda niyan, kaya lang ang bilis maubos kasi konti lang siya eh. This is actually really good, guys. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. So hindi ko pa nagagamit yung mga hair treatment na nabili ko sa Pinas kasi inuubos ko yung ganito ko. So ang sasarap nito, boy, o ang brown. What do you say? You're welcome. Nag-order lang ako ng more kasi maganda din siya pang-travel. Yung mga sa Pilipinas kasi ang lalaki, diba?
Bobby, Mom. What's Bobby?
You what?
What's Bobby?
Maui?
Bobby.
You wanna watch Maui?
Yeah.
O hindi ko alam kung...
Bobby.
Hindi ko alam kung kasi okay nga lang kasi yung buhok ko ngayon kasi buntis. So feeling ko lahat ng gagamitin ko ngayon nagagandahan ako kasi nga ang ganda ng estado ng buhok ko ngayon. But I'm really liking this so far. So I don't know. Anyway, this is from the Sam and it's their Silk Hair Repair Pack. But it's really good for traveling as well because it's not that big. And then lahat na guys nails. As in, I went crazy on nails. My gosh. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo isa-isa kasi sobrang dami nito. I will show you my favorites though. Kaya lang, hindi siya kasha. My gosh, my bad. I didn't measure my nails before I ordered this. I just assumed na extra small yung size ng nails ko. And then, nung na-order ko na siya, nung parating na siya actually, I measured my nails. Parating na siya. And I found out na hindi ako extra small. I am a small. But look at all these beautiful press-ons. Oh. You're welcome, boy. These are handmade, I think. And ang gaganda niya, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this one. That is perfect. Show them your food. Look at this one. Ang ganda, diba? Sobrang ganda niya, kaya lang hindi siya kasya sa akin. So, yung mga gustong-gusto ko na hindi kasya, nag-order ako ulit ng tama. Actually, this one fits. This one fits. Yeah, this one fits perfectly sa thumb ko. Tapos may nail pa yan. So, kasyang-kasya yan. Kaya lang, yung thumb kasya. So, I think okay din ako. I am in between siguro sizes. Extra small at saka small. Yeah, kasi ito masyadong maliit naman. But yeah, sobrang cute. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga press-on nails, marami din sa Yes Style. But they're so beautiful. I love it. That one looks so nice as well. Too. Look at that, guys.
I fell, Mommy.
Huh?
I fell.
You fell?
Yeah.
Where?
There's a T-Rex.
Look. This I really like as well. Para siyang cat eye na look.
There's a T-Rex,
Char
Mom.
cat eye.
There's a T-Rex.
There's a T-Rex. Oh no. Ang dami-dami pa nito, guys. Hindi ko na mapapakita sa inyo lang. Oh my gosh, this one I love as well. This is Isla's favorite. But look at that. I just can't see myself using these at the moment kasi very ma-charm siya. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure yung gagamitin ko yung mga plain lang, yung walang mga charms. But they all look very beautiful. Pero ang dami, guys. Like, these ones here. Iba-ibang klase. Yung mga una kong pinakita sa inyo, handmade. These ones are machine-made, I think. I'm pretty sure. Mga ganyan, ang dami-dami nila. Sobrang dami kong pinagkuha. Anong gagawin natin dito? Anyway, balik ko na to. Mag-pack na tayo, guys. Akit na natin sa taas. Anong ginagawa mo? Feed na na. Okay, akin na ito lahat. Okay, oh. Ano ba yan? Boy, ayoko pa kumain. Busog na ako.
Alaton.
Almost 10? There you go. Yummy? T-Rex? Oh my god. The kalat is real. The kalat is real. Look at the floor, mate. I just cleaned.
My dummy.
Your jamas, yeah. Buti hindi ko pa nalitan yung pang itaas niya. Kasi yung pambaba niya, naka-jawworms na siya eh. Pinalitan ko na. Sabi ko kakain pa to. So hindi ko pinalitan yung taas. Buti na lang. Yummy? Look at your mess, boy. Oh my goodness, boo-boy. Effort na talaga. Effort na ang lahat ng gawain. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm just packing. Nagpapack lang ako, guys. I do this all the time. But now, I'm out of breath. My goodness. So, napack ko na yung sa kids. Pero feeling ko may makakalimutan talaga ako. I'm still thinking now. But feeling ko talaga may makakalimutan at may makakalimutan ako. Pero I think tapos na ako sa kids. Ito yung sa kanila. Ano lang naman kami. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Uwi kami Monday. So, nandyan na yung nappies. I need to get wipes. Nappies, wipes, pinaka-importante. Undies ni Ayla. Clothes, pajamas. What else? What else? I just need to get the wipes. It's downstairs. And pagod na ako. Those are shorts, ate. Maybe wear the pants one. Sorry, here.
Mix.
Mix?
Yeah.
Good idea? I'm not sure. Let's see. Come on, let's look. Guess what? It is late. It's 9:23 ng gabi. Ready na matulog ang pamilya ko. Nakapack na kami, guys. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng ilang oras kasi sumakit yung aking tiyan. Nakala ko manganganak na ako. Nakakaloka. But okay na ako ngayon. Nagpahinga lang ako. Hindi ako nagluto ng dinner. Humiga lang ako ba? And okay na ako. Kasi kanina talaga, nung pupunta nga ako, pinik up ko si Ayla sa school. Tinext ko si Dan. Sabi ko, huy, masama pakiramdam ko. Just in case may mangyari sa akin ba, drive pa naman ako. So, yun na, hindi na ako nagluto ng dinner. Pumili lang ng takeaway si Daddy. And okay na ako ulit. So, nakapag-pack na kami. And try ko mag-edit. Diba? Ready na ang kids. Naka-pajamas na yan. Where's your T-Rex? Where's your T-Rex? Oh, look for... Are they? Oh no, that's raptor. Where's there? There, mate. There. T-Rex is there. Yay! Napabili ako kay daddy kanina. Where's T-Rex? Look on the side table. Ano guys, chocolate frap from Macas. Kasi 'di ba, ilang araw na ako nag-crave ng Starbucks na frap. Wala nga kaming Starbucks dito. So, sabi ni Dan, may frap naman sa Macas. Kaya naghanap Starbucks. Ay, mag-edit lang ako, be. Kaya pa ba? You want me to find T-Rex? Asan ba yung minatay na T-Rex na yan, Bob?
No, raptor.
Not raptor? You're not talking about raptors? Here. Is he here? Where's T-Rex? Ate? Sabi ko ba sa inyo saan kami pupunta? Pupunta kami kina Miss. Kung saan sila na-assign. Kahit thumbnail yan lang yung i-edit ko actually. Okay na ako dun sa thumbnail.
Mommy's birthday.
Miss Greg.
Why? Why, Mama?
I don't know. I just want to get it done before we go, babe. I'm gonna go tomorrow.
You're headed out tonight?
Tomorrow morning.
But what about tonight?
No, we sleep tonight and then tomorrow.
But one day you pick up Tita Ruth in the airplane.
We dropped her off, yes, Monday.
Why drop her off and then you went at night?
I went early in the morning.
Mom, Dad,
Aray, may tutoy ba?
that's not a tutu.
That's my tutoy.
Who's he tutu?
This is tutoy, this one.
As a baby tutu.
Aray. Siya na talaga nakapatong sa akin. Do you wanna say goodnight to the guys? I'll see you tomorrow, guys. We're gonna be in Tita Rich's house. So see you tomorrow. Good night, guys.
You too, Bum Bum.
Be good.
Me too, Bum Bum.
Bye, guys. Thank you.